Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili with vinegar. Adding vinegar to your chili might sound unusual, but it's a fantastic secret ingredient. It brightens the overall flavor, adding a subtle tang that cuts through the richness of the meat and spices. Just a small amount can elevate your dish, creating a more balanced and complex taste experience. It truly makes a difference, transforming a good chili into a great one. When choosing your vinegar, you have a few excellent options. Apple cider vinegar is a favorite, offering a slightly fruity and mellow acidity that complements many chili recipes. Red wine vinegar provides a deeper, more robust flavor, perfect for heartier chilies. For a sharper, cleaner tang, white vinegar works well. We recommend starting with about 1 to 2 tablespoons for a large pot, then adjusting to your preference. The timing of adding vinegar is crucial for maximizing its impact. We suggest incorporating it towards the end of the cooking process, typically in the last 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the vinegar to warm through and meld with the other ingredients without losing its vibrant acidic notes. After adding, let it simmer gently, then taste and adjust. You want that perfect balance, not an overpowering sourness. Vinegar is a powerful tool for enhancing your chili's flavor profile. If your chili tastes a bit flat or lacks a certain zing, a splash of vinegar can be the perfect solution. It beautifully complements smoky and spicy elements, bringing them into harmony. For an extra pop, consider adding another small dash just before serving. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types to discover your ultimate chili secret.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.